Hello and welcome to everyone. My name is Francesca Gorni. In this video, we will show how it is possible to compare for each item the prices offered by different suppliers. First of all, we report in STR Vision CPM names and data related to the suppliers that we will evaluate. In System Settings, Tables and Lists, we click on Nominatives. We click on Add and we enter the data relating to the new supplier, such as a code, a name, an address, a telephone number, and so on. And we press on Save. Now we move into Project and Contracts, and we set as current the project in which we want to work. In Price category, we create a new price category for each supplier. The prices indicated by the supplier will be loaded in the relative price category. We can see all the price categories related to a certain article by accessing the price list. Selecting an item and clicking on Prices. In Estimating, it is possible to send to our supplier an estimate without prices. In this way, the supplier will be able to fill it and provide us with his offer. To create the estimate in Excel format, you need to click on Reporting and add a new report called Estimate Measurement for Bid. You need to set options related to the description, short, detailed, or both. And check Summary by Item. Finally, to get the file in Excel format, click on Export Excel. You need to choose the path where you want to save the file. Give to the file a name and press on Save. Once exported, the file will look like this. It will have a column with a code, an item, a unit of measure, a quantity, and a price that will be reported by the supplier. Once the offer has been received, it will be possible to upload the data within STR Vision CPM, selecting the price list of the estimate. To import the offer, click on the Import Offers button. You need to indicate the path of the file that you want to import. Assign a code to the offer. Select the price category on which you want to upload prices. And select a supplier from the registry. And start import. Now, as you can see, you have a price also for supplier free. Through the dashboard Suppliers Bids, it's possible to compare the various offers you have loaded. Through the Data Request button, you need to select a reference class and the various offers that you want to compare. And press on OK. At the end of the data upload, it will be possible to create tables and pivot charts. Let's see an example. We can insert the item and its description. And see the reference amount for each item and the amount for each supplier and compare them. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.